A man has been ordered to pay £293, made up of fines and costs, and given 3 points on his licence, even though he was driving under 60 miles an hour on the motorway. Now, this was because there was a temporary speed restriction in force at that time on the M4, which was 50 miles an hour. He was found to be driving in excess of 50 miles an hour and thus was found guilty under the single justice procedure. Although some might say that he got off lightly, because ordinarily he would have been banned, because the additional 3 points meant that he totted up to 12 points, meaning he would ordinarily be disqualified for a minimum period of 6 months, unless he could show exceptional hardship, which in this case he did, because in his case he was earning the livelihood to support those around him, and those would suffer if he was disqualified from driving. Now, speaking of the motorways and driving slowly, there is technically no minimum speed on the motorway, save for those very few areas where there is a minimum speed limit sign, and you will see that and know where it exists. However, if you are found to be driving significantly under the normal speed limit, to the extent that it's causing danger to other road users, you may still be charged with careless and inconsiderate driving. Because if you are driving extremely slowly compared to those cars around you, you are forcing cars either to slow down and to move over and to otherwise just disrupt the flow of traffic. So it is best to be keeping up with the speed of traffic and keeping to the normal speed limit wherever possible without exceeding it. And this doesn't mean that you should be tailgating, that is driving right up behind a vehicle that is driving too slowly. Tailgating is considered to be dangerous driving and will result in a minimum of a £100 fine, if not going to court for a much more severe penalty. I had one such instance today and I was hoping to show you a clip of it, but instead of the clip of the driver tailgating me, I had a whole few minutes of sky because the camera was turned up towards the sky thanks to the Black Belt Floof, whose channel you'll find linked in the description below. If you don't know who she is by now, you need to go and check it out. But in the meantime, please make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.